and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make easy chicken fajitas. In case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 3 pounds of chicken, or you can use steak or shrimp, a half of a bunch of cilantro, 1 green, 1 red, and 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 small white onion, 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, garlic salt, and black pepper. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by cutting our bell peppers and onion into small strips. We're just gonna cut them into strips like that. We're not gonna let this go to waste. We're just gonna cut it and use it as well. Alright, so once we have our vegetables cut, we're going to start working on our chicken. Alright, so for our chicken, we're going to cut it the same as we did with our vegetables. And we can clean our chicken while we cutting it as well. Alright, so once we have our chicken, we can start working on our marinade. Alright, so once we have our chicken and our vegetables ready, we're going to start working on our marinade. For our cilantro, we're just going to remove the leaves from the stem. Just like that. So just do it all. Just remove them all from the stems. Okay, so we're going to put our salt, cumin, oregano, our chili powder, paprika, and garlic all together. Okay, we're also going to add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're going to squeeze out the juice from our lime. Just like that. And now we're just going to mix it. And this is our marinade, our fajita marinade. So now we're just going to place it on our chicken along with the cilantro. Okay, so now we're just going to put our marinade on our chicken. And just coat it and add our cilantro to it. And we don't have to let our chicken marinate. you know, you don't have to refrigerate it or do none of that. We're just gonna let it marinate while we're cooking our veggies. All right, so on medium-high heat, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're going to wait for that to heat up so we can add our vegetables. All right, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our bell peppers and onions. And we're going to season them with garlic salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to cook them. Now we're just going to cook our vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes until you start seeing that our peppers and onion are soft. Alright, so once the bell peppers and onions are nice and soft, we're going to remove them. We're going to remove them from our pan and set them to the side so we can cook our chicken. And we're just going to add a little bit more oil. I mean, we still have some oil, but just a little bit more. And then we're going to add our chicken. And now we're just going to cook our chicken for about 8 more minutes. And then after our chicken is cooked, we're going to combine our vegetables and our chicken together. Alright guys, so after a minute, your chicken should be done. You can cut a piece of chicken. And as you can see, it's all cooked. Now we're going to combine our vegetables and our chicken together. And now we're just gonna let it cook for 1 minute, and that's basically it for our chicken fajitas. Smells delicious. Alrighty guys, so our fajitas are ready, and I like to serve them with a side of rice, guacamole, sour cream, and of course tortilla, but you can always make them into tacos. So are you guys ready now for the best part?
The taste test.
Yes.
I have to rip it. I can't rip it.
And by the way, this is one of my kids' favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, not yet.
I can't rip it.
Okay. Hold on, because Jaden's having some technical difficulties with his tortilla. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready, Jay?
Yep.
Cheers. The best fajitas ever.
Yep.
Agree? How is it?
Good. I give it 2 thumbs up.
Super flavorful, and the best part, like, it's less than 30 minutes. You can have a super easy and delicious meal right here. You guys ready to go sit down and enjoy it?
Yep.
Let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious chicken fajitas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite type of fajitas, and also if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Chicken, what's this?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.